All eyes on the seventh phase of elections, which are on in full swing. Nearly 14 crore voters will have their say in 89 seats across 7 states and 2 union territories. The big names include Narendra Modi, Sonia Gandhi, Arun Jaitley, Amarinder Singh, Farooq Abdullah, among a host of other names. Suchetna Ray joins us now with more details on how this phase 7 is likely to pan out. Suchetna?
It's phase 7 today, where 89 seats across 7 states and 2 union territories go to polls. The states include the likes of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, to name a few. There are heavyweights we have to watch out for today. Narendra Modi is looking for a maiden seat in the Lok Sabha from Vadodara. The entire state of Gujarat actually goes to polls today. L.K. Advani is contesting from Gandhinagar. Sonia Gandhi is looking at yet another term from the Congress stronghold of Rai Bareli. Rajnath Singh is looking at imbibing the legacy of Atal Bihari Vajpayee from Lucknow. The other heavyweights includes Murli Manohar Joshi, who's contesting from Kanpur and is up against two-time MP Congress's Sri Prakash Jaiswal. Arun Jaitley and Amarinder Singh are part of a hotly contested battle in Amritsar. The other heavyweights include Jaipal Reddy, K. Chandrasekhar Rao, both from Andhra Pradesh. There's also Kalyan Banerjee, who is contesting on a Trinamool Congress ticket and is up against Bappi Lahiri from BJP. Chandan Mitra of BJP is looking at his maiden seat in Lok Sabha. He's contesting from Hooghly in West Bengal. Farooq Abdullah is contesting from Srinagar. That's the only state that goes to polls today from J&K.
BJP's Prime Minister candidate Narendra Modi is confident of winning the Lok Sabha elections and says that anti-incumbency would bode well for BJP to form the next government.
अब तक जो मतदान हुआ है उसमें 2 काम हो गए। एक, मां बेटे की सरकार गई, वो बच नहीं सकती, और दूसरा, नई सरकार की नींव, नई सरकार की मजबूत नींव अब तक के मतदाताओं ने शिलान्यास कर दिया है। अब जो मतदान हो रहा है वो मजबूत सरकार बनाने का हो रहा है। आज भी, अभी भी हम एक ही बात बोलते हैं, विकास विकास विकास, सुशासन सुशासन सुशासन, महंगाई के खिलाफ, भ्रष्टाचार के खिलाफ, कुकर्मों के खिलाफ। लोकतंत्र में जनता को प्रशिक्षित करना, उसी को लेकर के चले हैं। डे 1 से हमने जो एजेंडा लिया है उसी एजेंडा पे चल रहे हैं।